We recently pulled this 1964 Impala SS convertible out of a wreckage site, a forgotten relic buried under years of neglect, debris, and uncertainty. Finds like this don't happen every day, and before diving into the mechanical work, we knew the first step was to slow down and uncover the car's true condition. That meant meticulously cleaning the interior, stripping away the layers of dirt and decay to reveal hidden surprises and get an honest assessment of what we were really working with. With any classic car rescue, especially one pulled from the wreckage, cleaning is critical. It exposes original details, body lines, and tells the real story before any major work begins. The transformation was just the beginning. Once the interior was clean and the car's character started to emerge, it became clear why these early Impalas remained true American icons. From there, we moved into engine diagnostics and brake repairs, essential steps in bringing this convertible back to life. This stage was all about uncovering the past, stripping away years of neglect to expose the car's original character, and understanding what it will take to bring it back. There's still a long road ahead, but the potential is undeniable. Thanks for following the journey.